MAC, the Museum of Contemporary Art in Sao Paulo, is bursting with world-class art, but the numbers of visitors are just too small. Furthermore, MAC is facing a set of different challenges, like bad visibility, outdated maps in the park, and a limited access to funding. Another, much bigger problem is the communication of art and cultures to the general public and especially the youth. Hundreds of teenagers come to the Ibirapuera Park every day, but very few of them have ever been to MAC. Since they lose contact with art very early in Brazilian schools, we want to open MAC's space and welcome them, not only to experience but also to explore their own art and creativity. So, we asked ourselves, how can we build a lasting connection between MAC and teenagers through open creative workshops? One big thing MAC and teenagers have in common is that they're both growing. Therefore, we call the project Under Construction. Under Construction is a set of open workshops that will take place in the museum in the teenagers' spare time. MAC will invite the teenagers to partake in creation and communication of art and culture. The workshops are facilitated and executed by the creative minds of students from FAUUSP. They have the know-how and interest to inspire younger people with their own passion. Through the workshop, the teenagers will develop a growing interest and understanding of the importance of art and, hopefully, bring their friends and families to the exhibitions. By teaching the teenagers and be facilitators of the workshops, the students from FAUUSP get to try out their teaching skills and, on top of that, strengthen their connection to MAC as well. The workshops will bring MAC to life and attract more visitors. The museum will become a meeting point for education, art and creative activity. So, to wrap it all up, we are establishing the connection, creating a living MAC, and educating in a fun way. So, thanks for your time, and see you at MAC. Bye!